Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the headlight washers on Mercedes ML164. The headlight washers are located behind the front bumper, so in order to get access to them we need to remove the front bumper. We'll start by removing the two wheel arch liners. The wheel arch liner is held by a couple of bolts and also some plastic clips. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the wheel arch liner is removed, we can see we have access to the windscreen washer pump if you need to replace it. To remove the front bumper, first we're going to remove the wheel arch liner on the other side. It's held again by a couple of plastic screws and a couple of bolts. Now that the two wheel arch liners are removed, we're going to start removing the front bumper. The bumper is held here by this bolt, held to the wing, and the same on the other side. We're going to remove this bolt. And that's the bolt holding the bumper on the other side. Next, we're going to remove the engine under tray. The bumper is held by a couple of screws here on the bottom. There are 5 or 6 screws that we need to remove. Next we'll go to the top of the car and remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. First we're going to remove this front grille. It's held by those plastic clips that I'm showing you. Now that we've removed all the clips and the screws, so we're going to pull out the front grille. It's held by these things, so we need to push them in and it will release the front grille. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the front bumper. Now that all the bolts are removed, we're going to start removing the bumper. Before removing the bumper, we're going to remove these metal brackets that are holding the bumper to the wing on this side and on the other side as well. And now we're only going to pull out the bumper and it will come out. We're going to remove the metal bracket on this side as well. And now that everything is removed and the bumper is free on the wing, on the sides, we can pull out the bumper and remove it. Now that the bumper is removed, there's a couple of electrical connectors that we need to disconnect before being able to remove the bumper completely. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the headlight washers. That's the headlight washers right there. It's held by two nuts. On the two sides we need to remove them and then we can take out the washer. After we remove the headlight washer from its place, the only thing left to remove is the windscreen washer line, which is right there. It's held by this plastic clip that we need to remove and then pull out the pipe. On the other side, the headlight washer is held again by two nuts and also this fluid line. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.